Hello and welcome to my project Warship on my 5-inch garden railway. I promised in the last video I'd show testing the Loco, and in this video I'm going to set it all up on the track and then see how it runs, and you'll see the problems that I had to do that. So without further ado, I'll just show you what I did. So first thing we do is get the bogies out. Right, horn works. Now let's try movement. MCB on. Good, that works fine. Right, get the body next. It is all ready, so we'll try it round now. Points. Right, I'll just alter the camera. Right, into reverse. Let's hope it negotiates these points. That fairing on the bottom there is rubbing on something. I'll have to have a look at that. No, I'll have to investigate that. Right, sorted that. It was the fairing underneath rubbing on the other line. Hopefully. Right, it's just rubbing on something else now. So I've got as far as here on this curve, and one of the problems now is because this is a really tight curve, the wheels are rubbing as they turn on the chassis, because the chassis is very low down and covering the wheels. So I need to trim the chassis a bit in order to get it round this curve, if I'm going to run it all the way round. To be honest, it's a bit big for this track, but we'll persevere, and we'll see how we get on. And maybe in another video, when I've got the other engines out as well, we can run it. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.